Hello, this is a video for example 2 for Geometry Topic 1, Lesson 7. We're going to apply the vertical angles theorem to some problems. That vertical angles theorem is what we learned in um, example 1 along with proofs. We're going to stay away from the proofs and just deal with the vertical angles theorem. The diagram shows how glass lenses change the direction of light rays passing through the telescope. What is the value of x, the angle formed by the crossed outermost light rays through the focal point? Here's angle x over here. I notice it's created by this ray, and these rays are part of lines that go out over to this side, which creates vertical angles. We have this angle here in white is a vertical angle to this one in white. Therefore, x must equal these two puppies, and these two each are 11. Therefore, x must be 22. That's what they kind of go through right there. The measure is 22, measure of angle x. Well, I guess they say that at the final part here. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let's see another example. Find the value of x and measure each labeled angle. Okay, we have two lines crossing, therefore we have vertical angles. We have this one, which is labeled as 6x minus 45. And we have this one, which is labeled as 4x plus 5. Those two expressions must equal each other. 6, because they're vertical angles, 6x minus 45 must equal 4x plus 5. Then we're going to solve that. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. When I subtract 4x from both sides, I get 2x minus 45 equals 5. And then I'm going to add 45 to both sides. It's going to go off the screen, I apologize. When I add 45 to both sides, I get 2x equals 50. Then I divide both sides by 2. When I divide both sides by 2, I figure out what x is. X is 25. And now that I know x is 25, because they wanted us to find the value of x and the measure of each labeled angle, I'm going to take the 25 and substitute it in. And you can substitute into either one because you know these two are supposed to be the same. They're vertical angles. Plug in 25 in here. 4 times 25 is 100, plus 5 is 105. And just to check, to make sure I did the math right, I'm going to plug 25 into this one also. 6 times 25 is 150. 150 minus 45 is 105. So I'm feeling really good because I got 105 for both expressions. Let's see what the answer was. X is 25. The measure of each labeled angle is 105. Nice. And that, whoops, that was a try it. That was one that you were supposed to go on your own and not have me go through it. Darn it. That's okay. This one you can enjoy on your own. Same thing, a similar type problem. So click pause, do it, and then hit play. We have a similar thing, so I guess I'm going to solve it a similar way. 8x minus 20 equals 5x plus 37. I can use my algebra skills. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides and get 3x minus 20 equals to 37. And then I can add 20 to both sides to get 3x equals 57. Divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 19, I think. 19, 38, yep, 19. Now that I know x is 19, I can plug in to find out the angles. 19, not as easy as 20. Let me plug in 20 though. If I plug in 20, 20 times 8 is 160, and then I can just subtract 116. Yeah, I'm not that good at math. I'm kidding, but just to be safe, trying to do stuff in your head sometimes can be dangerous. 8 times 19, 152, and then subtract 20 to get 132. Let me try it the other way. 5 times 19 plus 37. Yep, 132. The answer was 132. And that is it for the example. So now we can do some problems. I think they're going to have you do some proofs. Oops, here we go. Some of these might involve the proofs that we had from the other day. Numbers 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 22. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.